In data entry forms, all of the fields show automatically. All of the fields that are present in the data table, they show up in the data entry form. But what if I want to show some particular fields based on a particular condition? Yes, we can do that. Like this, if I select it on material, I have all of the material fields. If I click on labor, I have all of the fields that are related to labor cost. If I click on subcontractor, then I have all of the fields that are related to subcontractor. How we can do that? Let's start. Hello guys, in today's video we will see how we can show custom fields or specific fields for particular selection of the fields. For example, here if I select expense type as materials, then I have all of the fields that are related to material. If I click on labor cost, then I have all of the fields that are related to labor. How we can do that? You have to go to your dataset and here you will see one column show. Here usually you will see this checkbox, but here we can apply some certain conditions so that this thing is enabled. If you click on this pencil icon, then here with the show checkbox you will see this filter icon. You have to click on that, and now this checkbox has been changed into a bar, into an input box where we can apply some certain conditions, right? So what condition we have to write here? Let me show you some of the examples. Like here, expense type is equal to labor cost. So what it is saying that only show this field if expense type is equal to labor cost, then you have to show the wages. And you see here we have the wages here. If I select the labor cost, I see the wages. Similarly, if I click on subcontract, here amount or like this field employee name, let me delete this condition and reset it for you again. So here I see the checkbox. If I click on pencil icon, then I have to click on this filter icon and it will be changed into a bar where I can input some text or a condition. I will select this column expense type, insert it. If expense type is equal to labor cost, then show this field on. So now if I click on OK, and if my expense type is labor cost, then this field will be displayed. This is how you can show some specific fields only based on selection of an other field. Here are some more applications of this thing. For example, here I have currency and I have multiple accounts, but only those accounts will be shown that have that particular currency. Similarly, if I click on PKR, then I will see all of my PKR accounts. If I click on USDT, then I will see only USDT accounts. If I click on Euro, I will see only Euro accounts. So you can customize this drop down menu based on the selection as well by applying the condition on this show column. Similarly, if I go down here, I can click income or expense, and you will see if I click income, then the fields that are related to income, we can display those fields. If I click on expense, then we will have all of the fields that are related to expense. Same is for transfer and asset. So this thing can be widely used to improve the user experience of the app. Thanks for watching the video.